Hello guys, welcome to Techno-Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we'll show you how to clear charge roller counter on Kyocera TASKalfa Printer. Charge roller counter is an important part of Kyocera TASKalfa Printer, and it needs to be cleared regularly to prevent any print jobs from getting stopped due to the buildup of paper jam. Thanks for watching. If you learn anything in this video, please give a like and subscribe for more videos. If you have any questions, just pin a comment.